I tried putting the graphics kit on and it went really wrong. And then one of our friends come round the other day and told me that I should have used soapy water and then you can move it. Shit, I know now, yeah. I chucked $300 into the bin now, which is funny now, but it's a lot of money. I don't know whether to go for it again and try the soapy water or just buy the plastics with graphics kits on it.
Buy the plastic.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't walk out. Mama, about to let my heart speak. Friends keep telling me to leave. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business.
Fucking loving it now. This morning I couldn't even go around the corner. Now I'm fucking up. See how fast I'm going. Let's watch this first.
So
what's going on, guys? Having a lazy day today. I was going to do something but chose not to. Thought we'd come to the beach to get some shots of our friend Ben. He does rowing, so thought I'd get some drone shots.
yeah.
And that, come chill. And yeah, that's all we're going to be doing today.
Not much.
But we've got a good idea for next week, haven't we?
Yeah.
So make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow our Instagram, and yeah, we promise we'll get you something next week. Peace.
Sing it up, mister. Hear what I say, so yeah. No, yeah. Get your hands in the air, sir. Woo, yeah. Then you will get no hurt, mister. No. I said yeah. I said yeah. What they say. Don't you hear? I say yeah. This is what they say. Do you believe I would take something with me and give it to the policeman? I wouldn't do that. And if I do that, I would say, sir, I want to put the charge on me. I wouldn't do that. No, I wouldn't do that. I'm not a fool to hurt myself, so I was innocent of what they done to me. They was wrong. Listen to me one more time. They were wrong. Oh yeah, give it to me one time. Give it to me 2 times. Give it to me 3 times. Yeah. Give it to me 4 times.